Today, I'm going to show you how to cut up a whole chicken, Chinese style. Step by step, the easy way.
This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today, I cut up a whole Walmart roast chicken in 5 minutes.
First step is to cut the chicken lengthwise in half. Make sure the breast side, which is the meaty side, is facing up. The next step is to cut off the drumstick, so make sure you find where the joint is. Now it's time to cut off the chicken wing and the drummet. You can cut it off at the joint or into the meat. Once again, cut the chicken in half lengthwise. Take the piece with more bones, turn it sideways, and cut it into small pieces. Cut up the second piece the same way. So this piece has more meat, and when you put it on the plate, this will go on top of the other piece. This piece has less bones, so it's nicer to display on the plate. On the second half of the chicken, cut off the drumstick the same way, and also cut off the chicken wing and the drummet the same way. Now I'm going to show you an alternative way to cut up the second half of the chicken. In this method, you separate the dark meat from the white meat by cutting off the thigh first. So cut up the thigh into bite-sized pieces. What's left is the white meat, so cut up the last piece into 2 pieces lengthwise. Once again. Put the piece with the bones first into bite-sized pieces, and then the last piece with the less bones cut into bite-sized pieces as well. For a nicer presentation, reconstruct the chicken with the cut-up pieces, but I'm not too fussy about that. But if you want, just check some presentation from different Chinese restaurants. Stay tuned for future episodes. I'm going to show you how to make 7 different Chinese recipes using one whole Walmart chicken.
How you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese Cooking Accessory Guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.